Hello everyone. As a writer and a lifelong learner, one of my favorite tools in Microsoft Word is the Thesaurus tool. In today's video, I'm going to demonstrate how to use the Thesaurus tool to modify the sentence I have right up here. I think this sentence could be made better with another word to replace the word information. So I'm going to put my cursor inside the word, go up to the Review tab, click the Review tab, and over to the left I see a Thesaurus button. When I click the button, I see a pane to the right with a list of words that might take the place of the word I want to replace. All these words are options to replace the word information. Now I'm going to zoom in. If I want to replace the word information with material, I would go over to the right and click the drop down arrow and then click insert. And there I replaced the word information with the word material. Now let's reread the text to make sure it sounds good. When you speak to someone or write something that you expect someone to read, you are outputting material, whether through spoken language or written language. Yes, I think that sounds a lot better. Now, that is how to use the Thesaurus tool in Microsoft Word.